Question 1. A client with COPD is short of breath. What is the priority nursing action? A. Encourage fluids. B. Administer oxygen. C. Elevate head of bed. D. Call physician. Correct answer, C. Elevate head of bed. Rationale: positioning improves lung expansion immediately. Strategy: ABCs, breathing first, position before oxygen. Question 2. A client with heart failure has crackles in lungs. What is priority? A. Encourage fluids. B. Administer diuretics. C. Ambulate client. D. Provide food. Correct answer, B. Administer diuretics. Rationale: crackles indicate fluid overload. Strategy: crackles equals fluid equals diuretics. Question 3. A client with diabetes has blood glucose of 50 mg per deciliter. What is priority? A. Give insulin. B. Give juice. C. Call physician. D. Check BP. Correct answer, B. Give juice. Rationale: hypoglycemia requires immediate glucose. Strategy: low sugar equals give sugar. Question 4. A client post-op reports severe pain. What is first action? A. Check vital signs. B. Give pain medication. C. Reposition. D. Notify provider. Correct answer, A. Check vital signs. Rationale: assess before intervention. Strategy: always assess first. Question 5. Which finding indicates hypokalemia? A. Muscle weakness. B. Hypertension. C. Bradycardia. D. Fever. Correct answer, A. Muscle weakness. Rationale: low potassium causes weakness. Strategy: low potassium equals weak muscles. Question 6. A client with asthma is wheezing. Priority? A. Oxygen. B. Bronchodilator. C. Fluids. D. Rest. Correct answer, B. Bronchodilator. Rationale: opens airway quickly. Strategy: asthma equals bronchodilator first. Question 7. A client with chest pain. What is first action? A. Oxygen. B. Nitroglycerin. C. Morphine. D. ECG. Correct answer, A. Oxygen. Rationale: improve oxygenation first. Strategy: chest pain equals MONA, O first priority. Question 8. A client with stroke has difficulty swallowing. Priority? A. Give food. B. NPO. C. Encourage fluids. D. Sit upright. Correct answer, B. NPO. Rationale: prevent aspiration. Strategy: swallowing issue equals NPO. Question 9. Which indicates fluid overload? A. Weight gain. B. Dry skin. C. Low BP. D. Thirst. Correct answer, A. Weight gain. Rationale: rapid weight gain equals fluid retention. Strategy: daily weight equals fluid status. Question 10. A client has fever and infection. Priority? A. Antibiotics. B. Fluids. C. Rest. D. Ice pack. Correct answer, A. Antibiotics. Rationale: treat infection. Strategy: infection equals antibiotics. Question 11. Client with hypertension. Best diet? A. High sodium. B. Low sodium. C. High fat. D. High sugar. Correct answer, B. Low sodium. Rationale: sodium increases BP. Strategy: hypertension equals low salt. Question 12. Which indicates hyperkalemia? A. Muscle weakness. B. Tachycardia. C. Fever. D. Hypertension. Correct answer, A. Muscle weakness. Rationale: high potassium affects muscles. Strategy, potassium imbalance equals muscle issues. Question 13. Client with pneumonia priority? A. Oxygen. B. Fluids. C. Rest. D. Antibiotics. Correct answer, A. Oxygen. Rationale. Airway priority. Strategy, breathing first. Question 14. Client post-op risk for DVT. Prevention? A. Bed rest. B. Ambulation. C. Restrict fluids. D. High-fat diet. Correct answer, B. Ambulation. Rationale, movement prevents clots. Strategy, surgery equals ambulate early. Question 15. Client with anemia symptom? A. Fatigue. B. Fever. C. Vomiting. D. Hypertension. Correct answer, A. Fatigue. Rationale, low RBC equals fatigue. Strategy, anemia equals tired. Question 16. Client with seizure priority? A. Restrain. B. Protect airway. C. Give fluids. D. Call family. Correct answer, B. Protect airway. Rationale, prevent injury. Strategy, seizure equals airway first. Question 17. Client with kidney failure diet? A. High potassium. B. Low potassium. C. High sodium. D. High fat. Correct answer, B. Low potassium. Rationale, kidneys can't remove potassium. Strategy, kidney equals low potassium. Question 18. Client with hypoxia sign? A. Cyanosis. B. Fever. C. Vomiting. D. Pain. Correct answer, A. Cyanosis. Rationale, low oxygen. Strategy, blue skin equals hypoxia. Question 19. Client with GI bleed sign? A. Black stool. B. Fever. C. Headache. D. Rash. Correct answer, A. Black stool. Rationale, melena indicates bleeding. Strategy, black stool equals bleed. Question 20. Client dehydration priority? A. For fluids. B. Rest. C. Antibiotics. D. Food. Correct answer, A. For fluids. Rationale, replace fluids. Strategy, dehydration equals fluids. Question 21. A client with a chest tube accidentally disconnects from the drainage system. What is the nurse's first action? A. Clamp the tube. B. Place tube in sterile water. C. Call physician. D. Apply oxygen. Correct answer, B. Place tube in sterile water. Rationale, prevents air from entering pleural space. Strategy, chest tube disconnected equals water seal. Question 22. A client with hypocalcemia may show which sign? A. Bradycardia. B. Muscle spasms. C. Hypotension. D. Fever. Correct answer, B. Muscle spasms. Rationale, low calcium increases neuromuscular irritability. Strategy, low calcium equals spasms. Question 23. A burn client arrives in emergency. What is the priority? A. Start 4. B. Assess airway. C. Check pain. D. Give fluids. Correct answer, B. Assess airway. Rationale, airway obstruction risk in burns. Strategy, burns equals airway first. Question 24. A client with hypotension. What is the priority? A. Give 4 fluids. B. Encourage ambulation. C. Give food. D. Check weight. Correct answer, A. Give 4 fluids. Rationale, hypotension requires fluid replacement. Strategy, low BP equals fluids. Question 25. A postoperative client develops fever 2 days after surgery. What is likely cause? A. Atelectasis. B. Infection. C. Hypothermia. D. Dehydration. Correct answer, A. Atelectasis. Rationale, post-op day 1 to 2 fever usually atelectasis. Strategy, post-op early fever equals lungs. Question 26. Which finding indicates heart failure? A. Dry skin. B. Edema. C. Hypotension. D. Weight loss. Correct answer, B. Edema. Rationale, fluid retention occurs in heart failure. Strategy, CHF equals fluid overload. Question 27. A client with diabetic ketoacidosis priority treatment? A. Insulin. B. Oxygen. C. Antibiotics. D. Pain medication. Correct answer, A. Insulin. Rationale, insulin corrects hyperglycemia. Strategy, DKA equals insulin. Question 28. A client with stroke is unconscious. What is priority? A. Airway. B. Nutrition. C. Positioning. D. Mobility. Correct answer, A. Airway. Rationale, airway always first. Strategy, unconscious equals airway. Question 29. Which finding indicates hypernatremia? A. Confusion. B. Thirst. C. Bradycardia. D. Hypotension. Correct answer, B. Thirst. Rationale, high sodium causes thirst. Strategy, hypernatremia equals thirst. Question 30. A client experiencing myocardial infarction reports chest pain. First medication? A. Aspirin. B. Oxygen. C. Morphine. D. Nitroglycerin. Correct answer, B. Oxygen. Rationale, oxygen improves myocardial perfusion. Strategy, MI equals oxygen first. Question 31. Which indicates hypoglycemia? A. Sweating. B. Dry skin. C. Polyuria. D. Thirst. Correct answer, A. Sweating. Rationale, low glucose activates sympathetic system. Strategy, hypoglycemia equals sweating. Question 32. Which indicates hyperglycemia? A. Polyuria. B. Sweating. C. Tremors. D. Confusion. Correct answer, A. Polyuria. Rationale, high glucose causes osmotic diuresis. Strategy, hyperglycemia equals 3 ps. Question 33. A client with pneumothorax presents with A. Dyspnea. B. Fever. C. Vomiting. D. Rash. Correct answer, A. Dyspnea. Rationale, collapsed lung affects breathing. Strategy, pneumothorax equals breathing problem. Question 34. Which sign indicates peritonitis? A. Soft abdomen. B. Rigid abdomen. C. Hyperactive bowel sounds. D. No pain. Correct answer, B. Rigid abdomen. Rationale, inflammation causes rigidity. Strategy, rigid abdomen equals peritonitis. Question 35. Client in shock priority? A. Oxygen. B. Food. C. Ambulation. D. Bath. Correct answer, A. Oxygen. Rationale, tissue perfusion priority. Strategy, shock equals oxygen. Question 36. Which indicates thyroid storm? A. Hypothermia. B. Fever. C. Bradycardia. D. Weight gain. Correct answer, B. Fever. Rationale, hypermetabolic state. Strategy, thyroid storm equals hot. Question 37. Myxedema coma symptom? A. Hyperthermia. B. Hypothermia. C. Tachycardia. D. Anxiety. Correct answer, B. Hypothermia. Rationale, severe hypothyroidism. Strategy, myxedema equals cold. Question 38. Appendicitis classic sign? A. RLQ pain. B. Chest pain. C. Headache. D. Vomiting only. Correct answer. A. RLQ pain. Rationale, classic symptom. Strategy, appendix equals right lower quadrant. Question 39. UTI symptom? A. Dysuria. B. Dyspnea. C. Chest pain. D. Rash. Correct answer, A. Dysuria. Rationale, painful urination. Strategy, UTI equals dysuria. Question 40. COPD symptom? A. Dyspnea. B. Rash. C. Vomiting. D. Fever. Correct answer, A. Dyspnea. Rationale, airflow obstruction. Strategy, COPD equals breathing difficulty. Question 41. Pulmonary embolism symptom? A. Sudden dyspnea. B. Fever. C. Vomiting. D. Rash. Correct answer, A. Sudden dyspnea. Rationale, sudden obstruction. Strategy, PE equals sudden breathing issue. Question 42. Liver failure sign? A. Jaundice. B. Fever. C. Rash. D. Pain. Correct answer, A. Jaundice. Rationale, bilirubin buildup. Strategy, liver equals jaundice. Question 43. Pancreatitis sign? A. Epigastric pain. B. Headache. C. Chest pain. D. Rash. Correct answer, A. Epigastric pain. Rationale, pancreas inflammation. Strategy, pancreatitis equals epigastric pain. Question 44. Hemorrhage priority? A. Stop bleeding. B. Feed patient. C. Give bath. D. Ambulate. Correct answer, A. Stop bleeding. Rationale, prevent shock. Strategy, bleeding equals stop bleeding. Question 45. Hyperkalemia priority? A. Cardiac monitor. B. Fluids. C. Food. D. Ambulation. Correct answer, A. Cardiac monitor. Rationale, risk of arrhythmia. Strategy, potassium equals heart. Question 46. Hypokalemia sign? A. Weakness. B. Fever. C. Rash. D. Pain. Correct answer, A. Weakness. Rationale, low potassium affects muscles. Strategy, low potassium equals weak. Question 47. Fluid overload sign? A. Edema. B. Dry skin. C. Hypotension. D. Weight loss. Correct answer, A. Edema. Rationale, fluid retention. Strategy, fluid overload equals swelling. Question 48. Sepsis priority treatment? A. Antibiotics. B. Food. C. Rest. D. Exercise. Correct answer, A. Antibiotics. Rationale, treat infection quickly. Strategy, sepsis equals antibiotics. Question 49. Postoperative complication? A. Atelectasis. B. Rash. C. Vomiting. D. Fever only. Correct answer, A. Atelectasis. Rationale, common post-op complication. Strategy, post-op equals lungs. Question 50. Air embolism sign? A. Sudden dyspnea. B. Fever. C. Rash. D. Vomiting. Correct answer, A. Sudden dyspnea. Rationale, air blocks circulation. Strategy, air embolism equals sudden breathing problem.